Welcome, loved ones. I want to express my sincerest gratitude for you joining me here today for this activity of light dedicated to awakening our inner radiance, the divine light of confidence, clarity, and love that lives within each of us. Very often we think of power as something external, something we have to earn or prove. But true power is born from love. It's the warmth of our inner sun, steady, compassionate, and clear, shining from the heart. For this activity of light, we will be working with the solar plexus and heart chakras, connecting our divine will to our heart of compassion, and harmonizing the energies of fire and air, strength and grace. This will create the union of empowerment and love, where action becomes aligned with spirit. When these energies merge, we move through the world not from ego, but from our divine essence. In this meditation, we will call upon the beings of light, the ascended masters, our ancestors, our beloved angels who help guide and assist us, who help us remember our true power, the power to act, to love, to shine from within. As we begin, take a deep breath and let go of the need to strive or perform. You don't have to become powerful. You already are. You're simply allowing your light to remember itself. Hold this intention in your heart. I am guided by love. My power serves the highest light. Let's begin this journey into your inner temple of radiance. As you find a comfortable position, I invite you to close your eyes and take a slow, intentional breath in through the nose. Gently exhaling through the mouth, releasing any tension you've been holding. With each breath, feel your awareness settling into the body, allowing your shoulders to relax, your jaw to soften, and your heart to open. Sense a soft golden light beginning to glow in the center of your being, right behind your solar plex, just above the navel. This is your inner sun, the radiant flame of your soul's strength and divine confidence. Breathe into that golden fire, and as you exhale, feel it begin to expand, illuminating your entire midsection with warmth and light. Now you bring your awareness upward to the heart center, the temple of divine love and unity. Visualize a radiant emerald light gently pulsing here, a field of pure compassion, forgiveness, and peace. With each breath, these energies, golden fire and emerald light, begin to merge, weaving together strength and love, power and softness, action and grace. Now silently call upon the beings of light who guide you in empowerment and healing. The archangels of the solar ray, the masters of the heart flame, your higher self, and your luminous guides of truth and love. Invite them to encircle you in a radiant sphere of golden white light. A sacred temple of energy where your solar essence can be restored to its divine blueprint. Feel their presence, loving, protective, luminous. They whisper gently, "You are safe to shine. You are safe to remember who you truly are." Envision yourself now standing in a vast golden temple made of living light. The air shimmers with warmth and sacred fire, the energy of the solar heart of creation. Columns of crystalline gold rise around you, each one inscribed with ancient symbols of empowerment, truth, and divine will. At the center of this temple burns a sacred sun flame, eternal, pure, radiant. This flame represents your divine power, untouched by fear, guilt, or doubt. It is the eternal essence of who you are beyond stories, wounds, or limitation. Step closer to this flame and notice how it responds to your presence. How it grows brighter as you remember your own divine light. Now bring your awareness to any place within your being where you have dimmed your light to feel safe or accepted. Any old beliefs that say, "I am not enough," or "I must earn love." See these old patterns begin to rise to the surface as wisps of gray smoke, not to harm you, but to be transmuted. The beings of light around you raise their hands, sending rays of golden fire towards these imprints. As the smoke dissolves into light, you feel lighter, freer, as if the sun within you expands effortlessly through every divine cell within your being. As you gently whisper within your heart, "I am the light of my own divine truth. I release all fear of my power. My confidence is born of love." as you bring your attention back to your heart center. Visualize the golden light from your solar plexus rise upward and merge with the emerald flame of compassion within your heart. This fusion of energy creates a luminous golden green radiance that fills your chest and expands in all directions. A wave of healing that connects strength with tenderness, purpose with peace. The beings of light of the heart step forward now. Radiant presences of rose, gold, and emerald frequencies. They gently place their hands upon your heart, infusing you with the remembrance that true power is love expressed through action. With each breath, feel this union anchoring deeper within you. The power of the solar flame harmonizes with the serenity of your heart, awakening your inner sovereignty. As you gently whisper inwardly, I am guided by love. My power serves the highest light. I act with clarity, grace, and compassion. Now visualize a golden wind beginning to flow through the temple, a current of divine breath. This wind represents the element of air, carrying renewal and expansion. It moves through your entire energy body, clearing the residue of self-doubt, fear, or limitation. With every breath, the golden wind fans your inner flame, making it brighter, steadier, and stronger. You are becoming a radiant pillar of light. The eternal embodiment of balanced power and open-hearted wisdom. The beings of light now gather around you in reverence. They bless your solar heart, saying, "May your light never dim." May your truth guide others into remembrance. May you walk as a vessel of divine courage and peace. Their blessing anchors into your heart as a soft pulse of light spiraling outward through your entire field. You are now glowing inside and out with golden, heart-centered radiance. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. See the temple around you begin to dissolve into light. merging into your own aura, your own being. Your inner temple now resides within you, a living sanctuary of strength and compassion you can return to at any moment. Feel yourself grounded, centered, and alive. The sun within you burns bright, but never harsh. It radiates warmth, love, and gentle confidence. As you softly whisper, I am the living light of the heart. I shine from love. I act from truth. I live as light. The beings of light bow gently in gratitude and fade back into the higher realms, leaving you surrounded by a cocoon of golden green light. You take a final breath, feeling your connection to the earth beneath you, the air around you, and the radiance within you. And when you are ready, you gently open your eyes, bright, clear, and alive with the remembrance of who you truly are. Namaste.